never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
感想人のなき精神症は違いものの神みたいだ苦心高い命やどうしようとはパパラパラ高みなく人間寄せる高い不平等な人生才能もねた上位日常が無人平等に没個性たどる記憶の国に話などないから夢のはずまで泣いてないでどんな顔すればいいか分かってるだけどまだ答えてくれよ闇を洗って闇を洗って夜の帳が海なら合図だ相対して回る感情線され事などは吐き捨て言い方まだ止めないでまだ止めないで誰よりも先取ってる街に生まれ仕事しようと今になったで呪い呪われた僕の未来を想像して走って転んだ消えない痛み抱いては世界が待ってるこの一瞬を感情が揺いでいくバカ従順に従った血管突発視線確かにない愛に蒸気声も出せないまま不実な時間の泣きやきやこ不実なくなるまでのでも僕ら空情現実つけてないで命を投げ出せないでうちの脆さに浸ってどんな顔すればいいかわかんないよ今はただ答えてくれよ土壌を解いた土壌を解いた不確かな声を紡ぐアイディア交際して回る感情線その先に今立ち上がる手をただ追いかってただ追いかって誰よりも強くなりたいと願う君の若い空今はただこのぐらい夜の底に深く深く落ち込んで不格好に見えたかいこれが今の僕なんだ何者にもなれないだけの屍だ笑いよ目の前の全てから逃げることさやめたイメージを繰り返し想像の先を行けと闇を